fucking frogging.
Yo, freeze up. Freeze
Oh,
up.
fuck.
Freeze up.
Oh, fucking jeez. I'm
In this room right here. So you're on Twitch, eh?
No.
Yeah, you're on Twitch. Where's your buddies at?
Oh, yeah, I'm watching the League of Legends Twitch channel, because their games are about to start. I'm just on here to wait some time.
Stay away from the window.
Type in twitch.tv/riotgame. That's what I'm watching.
Where's your buddies at, man? I know you're not here alone, man.
I am here alone. I swear to God.
What do we do with this guy?
Oh man, it's up to you.
Listen, man, I'm gonna knock you out, and then we're gonna disappear. Fair enough?
I guess. I mean, you guys want to protect, sure. Make it quick and clean.
Alright. Put the axe down first, and then I'll do it.
And, oh, okay, axe, yeah.
Someone's coming up. Someone's coming up. Someone's coming up. Yo, we gotta get out of here before he gets up. We're gonna storm downstairs and see what's good with this guy. Who is that? Someone just came upstairs, yo.
He just hit me.
All right, come out through the back. Through the back. Through the back. If he comes out, we blast his brains out. All right, we out of here. This way, this way. That was crazy.
I don't know what the fuck he thought he was gonna do about punching us.